Hello there. I'm going to show you how to ozonate olive oil. Ozonated olive oil is part of the Mop Up Program that Hulda Clark published in her books. The Mop Up Program involves taking 6 capsules of cysteine daily and 3 tablespoons of ozonated olive oil daily for about 3 weeks. So I'm going to show you how to do that with the Portazone, which is a portable ozonator. And it comes with an olive oil extension. Now we've removed about 2 inches of the olive oil from the top. That way it doesn't overflow while we are ozonating. So we submerge the aerator right there. And we are going to ozonate it for 20 minutes is what Hulda Clark recommended. Now the Portazone comes with automatic timers for 5, 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. So we're gonna do 15, and we're gonna add another extra 5 minutes to this to make it a 20-minute session of ozonating this olive oil, and then that will be ready to go.